You know, someone once said, what gets measured, get managed. But let me add a twist, what gets measured wrongly just wastes everybody's time. At Obsnap Group, we run on rhythm, weekly, monthly, quarterly review. Each has a different beat. Together, they keep our team in tune. Now, this week, I'll be leading our monthly business review, all business unit, guided by the Balance Scorecard and KPI framework, and powered by DoerHRM software. But let's be honest for a second. Many companies run performance meetings without clarity of purpose. Now, they run weekly meetings that feel like endless reporting, and monthly review that repeat the same detail, whereas quarterly review that turn into long presentation with no real decision. Now, that confusion creates frustration. People feel busy but not effective. So, here's how we keep things clear at Obsnap Group. For weekly sales and marketing review, we focus on pipeline, lead generation, and campaign. The purpose is to fix problem fast so that we are able to capture wins quickly. And a balance scorecard link, we look into customer and financial. And for DoerHRM, it's about live dashboard and no more chasing report. And for monthly business review, our focus is actually into finance, operation, customer, and people. The purpose is to align KPI, OKR, and adjust the priorities. For balance scorecard, it's actually about all the four perspectives. And with DoerHRM, it allows us for easy visibility across all business units. And for quarterly business review, our focus actually onto strategy, culture, market shift. The purpose is to have reflection and reset our strategy whenever necessary. And balance scorecard is actually more onto validate our long-term balance. And with DoerHRM, we have a seamless quarter-to-quarter comparison. And here's the rhythm we live by. Weekly, we talk about execution. For monthly, it's actually about alignment. Whereas for quarterly, we look into strategy reset. Okay. Now, for balance scorecard, it gives us structure. DoerHRM makes review smooth and meaningful. No wasted meeting, just clarity, alignment, and action. And here's what I love most about monthly review. Every month tells a story. And some of our business units have already achieved, even overachieved their annual profit target. For that, I give full compliments. And it proves the power of focus, teamwork, and consistent execution. At the same time, yes, some units are behind on year-to-date sales. That's real business life. What matters most is how we respond. When sales fall behind target, we acknowledge the gap, no sugarcoating, and diagnose the root cause, pipeline, conversion, delays, or market shift. Next will be take corrective action, more visit, new campaign, or cross-sales initiative. And followed by reforecast. If you are behind 1.2 million, that means 400,000 a month extra in the next 3 months. And lastly, keep accountability visible. Have weekly KPI dashboard and ownership by every head of department. So the golden rule here is, with KPI, it tells us what happened. And we use OKR to tell us how to fix it. As Group CEO, my role is simple. Celebrate the win, address the gap, and keep everyone aligned to our balance scorecard. And remember what Peter Drucker said, the best way to predict the future is to create it. So let's create it together. If your company struggles with unclear meeting or missed sales target, I'll be happy to offer a free consultation to review your KPI and scorecard. Sometimes a fresh outside perspective makes all the difference. And here's the truth, performance meetings don't have to be boring. With the right rhythm, structure, and a little humor, they can actually become the growth engine of your business. Until next time, keep your rhythm strong, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and let's make performance reviews something we actually look forward to.